Good morning, everyone. In today's class, I will basically teach you about how your question will come. Now, before that, I will show you syllabus once more so that you will come to know what portion you are getting. I will show from both the part. It is, I'll share the screen for you. The screen is shared, and I will open this part. As I have completed the portion, but still, I want to show you something. Now, see. Here is your syllabus, CBSE revised, and in this revised syllabus, the portion which I have completed is Unit 1, that is Computational Thinking and Programming 2, revision of the basic Python covered in 11th class. This you have to take care. Not some question will come from this part also. Now functions and this mathematical and string function, that also you remember, and all these points, the parameters and passing values and dictionaries to functions, mutable immutable properties of the function, this I have already covered. And in your file handling, I am only taking these two topics, text files and binary files. CSV file for time being I am not taking. So for need for a data file, text files and binary file. Then here comes this CSV file I have not taken. Text file, basic operation on text file, the different types of modes you should know of the text file, closing, how to close a file, how to write multiple lines, and when you write multiple lines, the result comes in the form of the list, etc. तो वो सारी चीजें आप ध्यान रखेंगे. Reading and manipulation of data from a text, appending data into a text file, standard input, output and error streams. So आपके कौन-कौन से input stream and output streams उस पर ध्यान रखिएगा. Relative and absolute paths, so इस पे भी ध्यान रखिएगा. Then comes to the basic. You know the path, how to define path, okay? Basic operations on a binary file, how to open file, how to close file, how to define different types of modes of file. ठीक है? Close a binary file, pickle module, methods load and dump. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए load किस लिए use होता है, dump is used to write and load is used to read. Okay, but remember जहाँ पे dump लिखना है, dump binary के साथ read write नहीं होता है. Dump and load, write, create. That means dump उसके थ्रू आप करेंगे. Search, append, update operation on binary I have already done. Okay. Now which file you have to import, and then also I have taught you how to make your own libraries this way. I have already taught you. Then we'll come to the computer network part, evolution of network, ARPANET, internet space, etc. Data communication technology, transmission medium, twisted pair, network devices, modem, RJ45. Okay, all this you have to cover here. I think voice is clear to you. Still, I'll put it here, mic, follow mic, so that it will. All this point, network protocol, TCP/IP file protocols, PPP, HTTP, electronic mail protocol, network security, threats prevention, introduction web, everything in servers, web hosting, I have completed. Now I will show you the syllabus, school syllabus also. For that, I will open SendPost website, sendpostquota.co.in, and in that you see the portion here, term 1. Here you see 12th class portion, and in the 12th class portion, computer science, computer program 2, I have already explained. Revision of class A, function, modules, file handling, text file, binary files. Computer network, all definitions and concept as per revised syllabus, and revised syllabus you know now. Now the type of questions I am going to discuss with you, what type of question will come for your examination. So this I want to discuss with you. Okay. Again for that, I think screen is shared, no problem. So for you, I will open word here so that I can type something here for you. Now see here, so I will give some questions here for your examination which may come. Okay. So like I'll take the questions, that is just to know you. Now if I write it here, question number 1 like this, MCQ it is, question number 1. Which statement, statement is used for exception handling, it's not visible तो छोटा हो रहा फॉन्ट, थोड़ा बड़ा कर देते हैं. Exception handling in Python. In Python. A, with, B, if else, C, try or except, D, try match. So answer is C, try except. So you have to just select this option. This will come as a circular button. तो वो आप समझ जाना. इसको select कर लेना, click कर देना. Then you come to the next question. Then I may give you some more question like this. State true or false question. With open emp.dat, okay, with open emp.dat rb as rf colon, mention true or false. True or false. The statement is true or false, you have to check. So A, true, B, false. So this statement is true. This statement is true. Okay. मैं आपके लिए हाईलाइट कर रहा हूं ताकि आपको पता चल जाए. इसमें ये वाला है, इसको भी हाईलाइट कर दिया. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये आप समझिए, इस तरह से क्वेश्चन करना है. With open emp.as rf, mention true or false. So this statement is true. So this type of question. Also different type of modes may come. Like question number 3. In Python, to read and write binary file, we use the mode A, R plus B, W, B plus C, A, B plus E, W plus. So read and write WB प्लस लिखें या RB प्लस लिखें तो भी मतलब वही होता है. So that way this option is correct. प्लस लगा दिया मीन्स रीड एंड राइट और राइट और रीड समथिंग। अगर ये और अच्छा से करना था इसमें आप आर कर सकते थे, आर बी रीड बाइनरी प्लस राइट। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट, I'll take some from networking. So in networking I will take question number 4. WLL stands for A, wireless in local area landline. B, wireless in local loop. C, वायरलेस नेटवर्क, कुछ भी दे देते हैं। तो हियर वायरलेस इन लोकल लूप WLL। सो ये आंसर सही है, तो आपने इसको हाईलाइट कर देगा। सो दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन। देन आई विल टेक सम मोर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। CDMA stands for code division multiple access. Okay, GSM stands for, SIM stands for, question number 5, SIM stands for, ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक फॉर्म में दे देता हूँ। तो आपका यहाँ पे आंसर लिखना है SIM stands for सब्सक्राइबर आइडेंटिफिकेशन मॉड्यूल। SIM, subscriber identification module. Then some theoretical question may also come. Okay, write very short note on router. Okay, or a question may come, repeater is required where the distance is more than 100 meters. आप कहेंगे ट्रू फॉल्स है, मान लो कहेंगे ट्रू, बी फॉल्स। तो आपका क्या कहना होगा? ट्रू। ओके, दैट वे। This way I will take today 10 questions at least. Question 8, I will take it here, where we should house the server. A, computer lab, comp lab, having 200 computers or nodes. B, office having 100 computers. C, human resource department having 50 computers. So अब ऐसे क्वेश्चन में you have to remember that you put server where the maximum number of computers are there. So this is the correct answer. So मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि मेरे इस क्लास को अटेंड कर लेना अगर ठीक है. Question number 9. 10 questions I will take today. Then next question I may give like this. I may give also some differences also. Star topology is central node has central node dependency. True or false? True, B, false. So आप कहेंगे true. Yes, it is central node dependency. Okay. Question number 10. Microwave communication has more than 30 GHz gigahertz more than. अब मैं इसको फिल इन द ब्लैंक भी कर सकता हूँ. डैश GHz स्पीड है ना. So 30 GHz. So that way you can write the answer. आपको अगर डाउट हो तो फिर से डाउट क्लास अगर होंगी तो उसमें पूछ लेना. 30 GHz frequency. What frequency मुझे याद नहीं आता. Frequency. So answer is 30 GHz. Answer is 30 GHz frequency. Some theoretical question of Python programming may also come. Like I'll give a question. Assuming a file is created with ENO, ename and salary field. And cell field. Write short program, write function read one to read data from the binary file emp.dat. Assume file is created with field defined in a dictionary, defined as dictionary data. Write function read one to read data from the binary file emp.dat. So this type of questions, ज़्यादातर questions will come 2 marks each. So जो भी पढ़ाया है, whatever I have taught, 90% question will come from that, but few question may come which I may have not given the notes, but I have discussed, and that is a part of syllabus. 11th वाला पूरा डिक्शनरी लिस्ट और ये सारी चीज़ें देख के आना. ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं होंगे, बट फिर भी अच्छे खासे 2-4 क्वेश्चन 5 क्वेश्चन भी हो जाएंगे, तो मान लो 2 marks each means 10 marks हो जाते हैं. So just have a look of it, and after that you come for the examination. don't just ignore it. So I have already given this paper a short way how to, now your question paper will come. This I am just made here only. So in Python to read and write, whenever we use the mode, and a WLL stands for some abbreviation, wireless network. Yes, SIM stands for, या WLL stands for. ठीक है, ये fill in the blank format में भी आ सकता है, MCQ में भी आ सकता है. Write very short note on router or definitions which I have given you. Repeater is required where distance is more than 100 meter true. So repeater amplify करने के लिए सिग्नल होता है more than 80-90 पे भी आप repeater लगा सकते हैं amplify करने के लिए. Computer lab is having 200 computers. जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर होंगे वहीं पे सर्वर लगाना है. ये मैं आपको ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ. Start topology has center node dependency. Yes, it has. Microwave communication has more than 30 GHz frequency. Yes. So 30 GHz fill in the blank में भी आ सकता है, true false में भी आ सकता है. Assuming a file is created with ENO, ename and cell field defined as dictionary data. Write function read fun to read data from the binary file emp.dat. Okay. So just take care. Bye. In case of problems, Saturday if you have doubt class, you can ask. Otherwise, prepare yourself for the examination. 40 question will come. 80 marks paper will be there. And each question will carry maximum 2 marks. Okay. So 42 is 80. That way I have a very like MCQ also, fill in the blank also, true false also, short answers, true, find the output also, find the error also, and very short program also. So 80 marks I have confirmed just now with the examination in charges. They said 80 marks paper and 40 questions. Prepare yourself. In 1 hour you have to complete that. You must remember. Okay, time is not much. So just focus on your work and complete your work. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care of yourself.